Come here for a second. Come here. No, come here. Patrol 113 Romeo. Show us on a welfare check. RCC level 4 by.
Welfare check. You said I couldn't spend.
Come over here for me. Come over by this wall for me.
10-4, what unit is with you?
You said I could not spend.
Do you have a ticket? You see what you got.
I'm not showing you my ticket. You told me I could not spend the night in the airport.
No.
That's not
listen.
what. No. You said I could not spend the night at the airport.
You're
said, okay.
talking over me. You're not listening.
Then I told you I had to get a rental car.
Do you have a boarding pass? Yes or no?
Technically, no. Yes, I do, but I'm not showing you my boarding pass.
Turn around for me then. Put your hands behind your back.
Because you're not cooperating with me. I tried to be.
Give me my give me my pass.
No. We'll get it, but you're not going to act like this. Stop resisting. Get your cuffs out. Stop resisting. You're going to get tasered. I'm going to taser you.
Taser me for what? I have a boarding pass.
No,
153 Romeo, can you head that way as well? RCC level 4 by Avis. Looks like he's resisting a bit.
You can have it all? Give it all? Okay. You can have it all.
113. We got her in cuffs. Show us 1015 for Trespass After Warning.
Tampa International Airport, January 19th, 2025. The same woman who was banned 2 days ago walked back in. Tampa International Airport is private property managed by the Hillsborough County Aviation Authority. On January 17th, she received a formal trespass warning valid for 1 year. She returned on January 19th, 2 days later. Under Florida's criminal trespass law, returning after that warning is a criminal offense. First-degree misdemeanor, up to 1 year. Officers asked one question, boarding pass, yes or no. She said yes, then refused to show it. That single decision locked in the charge.
There is no trespassing at an airport with a boarding pass.
Why are you acting like this?
Because you're wrong.
No.
I never spent the night here. I went to Avis Preferred to get my points. I went and used my boarding pass, and you want to know where I'm going. I have a passport, I have a valid United States ID, and you're telling me that I'm trespassing by being present at an airport?
Yes.
That is illegal.
No, it's not.
Okay.
Try to be polite with you.
Okay, no, you're not. You're overdoing it.
Ask you if you had a
You're
boarding pass.
overdoing it. You wanted to see too much.
No.
You wanted to
I
know
gotta
too
get my
much. You're a
gloves on.
complete stranger.
I gotta
You don't
get
get to
gloves
know
on.
all that.
I have them, but can you hold it?
No, you cannot.
No, I haven't. What size are these?
Large.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I tried to raise her. We're giving her a call.
Let's go to jail. We're going to
where's
jail,
your car?
right? Let's go to jail.
Oh, down there.
Let's go to jail and please charge us.
So we'll take her down
traveling.
there, and then we'll let Pal search her down there.
No,
Do you have anything on you that you should have?
nothing. Let's go to jail.
Do you have anything on you?
No, I have nothing on me. Let's go to jail for trespassing.
Stop doing that.
Stop squeezing it.
I'm not.
Yes, you are. Police brutality. Oh, it's a bitch. Whatever to you too. Let's assault. Go add assault to the charge. International traveler. International traveler.
Do you have anything on you?
Avis is gonna pull up my preferred number.
Do you have anything on you
Avis
that
is
you're not
gonna
supposed to have?
verify I'm a Avis preferred member with status. Let's go ahead and
Do you
go
have
there.
anything on you that's sharp or that you're not supposed to have? I've asked you like 3 times. Have you been to the Hillsborough County Jail before?
No, let's go to jail. You're gonna arrest me for trespassing at the international airport with a passport in my hand and a boarding pass. I would like to. I want that.
I asked you about a boarding pass and you ripped it up and said no.
Why do I have to show you a complete stranger where
Make
I'm
a step
traveling?
down. Watch your step.
No, I'll stay up. I have to tell you a complete stranger where I'm traveling to because you're who? Got it.
Well, you were trespassing.
I am not trespassing. I came here for official business, and you don't even want to verify it. But don't worry.
I tried to verify
Arrest me for being at an airport.
You are
as
under
a
arrest.
Okay, great. Let's go get that.
So just
no, arrest me.
stay right here. You are.
Arrest me. I want to be arrested.
I have a female.
Take me to jail.
We are.
Good. Yeah.
We have a female officer coming to search you.
Make sure you book me and tell me what my charges are. Because I really want to know how you guys think you can get away with this. Don't touch my butt.
You see, no, you're on video. You're on video camera right now.
Do not touch my butt.
You're not.
Do
You're
not
on
touch
video
my
camera.
butt with your dirty hands. Don't touch my butt.
You're on video, so
Do not touch my butt.
there's no need
He's
for this.
touching my
Okay?
butt.
It's over
He's
with.
touching my butt.
It's over with. Just
Arresting a
relax.
traveler with a. You have my passport in your hand.
Yeah, I do.
You passed Avis preferred counter I went right to the Avis referred counter to verify my Avis status, and you arrest me because you said that's stay the night.
ETA.
Oh.
Stop reaching.
Not
Stop
naked.
reaching.
Oh, there's ain't no vagina for you to see.
Stop reaching for your pockets. I got it.
Sure.
You gotta do so. Yeah, you got it? Yeah.
Of course not.
Turn that way. Turn that way.
Okay.
Look at me.
Police brutality! Arresting an international traveler with a passport and boarding pass because they don't know where she's going.
Can you search her?
Yeah.
I got that out of her pocket. Well, she's got pockets here. She may have pockets underneath.
Look at that. Passports. Look at that.
Just relax.
I don't tell me to relax.
Is that cotton in your ear?
Take me to jail, and then let's see how that goes. It's tissue. You want to take? I should take it out.
Stop. Relax.
Take it out.
Relax.
Take it out.
Relax.
Relax because you're scary because you crossed the line. You crossed the fucking line.
A boarding pass does not override a criminal trespass order. The warning is issued by the property authority, not the airline. Those are two separate legal instruments. The pass clears security. It does not cancel a criminal exclusion. She spent 12 minutes arguing a point that is not in the statute. Florida's trespass law makes no distinction for air travelers under an active exclusion order. Every refusal to comply added a second count. Resisting an officer without violence, a separate first-degree misdemeanor under Florida law. She said police brutality on a body camera and threatened the officer's employment. Both statements were documented. This was also her second visit to the same location in 48 hours. A repeat offense carries stricter bond conditions and greater judicial scrutiny. 2 charges, 2 first-degree misdemeanors, each carries up to 1 year in county jail. She handed officers both.
Oh my God, with a cell phone. Don't touch my boob, bitch. Do not touch my boob. There's a woman here. Do not touch my boob!
Listen.
Do not touch my breast! Right? Of course I'm going to be under arrest. Go ahead, arrest me. You are under arrest. Yeah, I'm take me to jail. You guys think you have a power over this, right? You think it ends with arrest, right? I want to see which judge is going to honor what you guys are about to do tonight.
You don't have anything on narcotics, anything like that, because it'll be a felony charge if you introduce it into the
Whatever,
jail.
sir. Just arrest me.
You are under arrest.
Let's book me. There's nothing else here other than you overstepping, and I would love to see that charge. Trespassing at an international airport. Arrest me. And
You are arrested.
I need a charge. Make sure
You
there's a
are.
police-
Trespass after warning.
What is
Trespass after warning.
No, you said unless I had an official business here, then I can't be present. What was my official business? You have my passport. You saw my boarding pass. You know that I am an Avis preferred member. So what is my? Okay, go verify. Call Avis. It's not over. You're dead.
It's over.
You guys are overstepped.
Be nice.
I'm not being nice. You're God. You're all God.
Be nice.
You're all God. You overstepped. You overstepped. Come back to an airport? Not to come back to an airport? And you guys think that's right? You guys think it's right to tell a traveler not to come back to an airport? You're smiling. You're actually smiling.
Yeah.
You're actually smiling.
We can hear you.
You're actually smiling.
hear you.
You really think you're right to say
can
that?
hear you.
You really think you're right to tell a traveler not to come back to an airport?
You're not
with
traveling.
a boarding?
You're
Who
not
told
traveling.
you that? Who told you I'm not traveling?
Because remember I asked you if you had a boarding
I
pass?
don't need to show you shit.
And you ripped it up and threw it on the ground?
So you confirm.
Yeah, you ripped something up and threw it away.
You said
You
boarding
said no.
pass. You said boarding pass. Yeah, let's go. Let's go to jail.
Passports can you have at once?
I have 3 passports.
Sheldon said keep them.
International traveler. Yeah, because I don't want you to know where I'm going. Why do I have to show you where I'm going?
Where is she walking?
I don't know. She came off the train and waved at me.
I did not wave at you, bitch.
And then she went down to the bathroom and then came
I
back.
did not go to the bathroom. I went to the Avis preferred counter. Go to that.
She had
Go and verify. I went to verify my
Can
points.
you take a picture of that?
I went to the-
Since I have my gloves on. I just wanted her to put her
Yeah.
social on my, put it on my report.
You are a liar.
It was like tensing up, pulling away. We just each had an arm and had to wrestle her to get it
You are a
together.
liar. You are a liar. Take me to jail.
I mean, I can do that. Trying to pull away, tensing her arms.
without violence.
Yeah, yeah, okay. All right, we're gonna put your shoes on. Can you put your feet out here?
No, thank you. provide her information.
She said no, thank you. She's not gonna put them on.
But no, I'm gonna put them on. You can put them down right here, and I'll put them
How
on.
can I help you? You good?
The floor,
We'll
right
show the
here,
offer. Let's put
and
that.
I will put them on my feet myself.
You're gonna be charged with trespass.
Yeah,
after
I want
warning
that charge. I want that charge. Put it on
and
there.
resisting without
Okay.
violence.
Yeah. No, not a problem.
Okay.
Make sure it's written up very well. Thank you.
You understand?
I'm gonna
Can I speak,
take me
please?
to the judge
You're
because I want to trespassing with a boarding pass and a passport. For a year, I just got in and I have proof.
Yana,
You're a liar. I just got here a week ago.
No.
Bullshit.
The airport operations trespass.
One, I have
Remember
proof
the
that
airport
I
manager that came
liars, liars.
What about something like student?
Judge me. Week. I've been in Tampa for 1 week. Charge me. Let's see how long you keep that job. You better charge me. Don't write me a ticket. No. You better take me to jail. You better take me to jail and charge me right now. That needs to go on my record. I need this on my record so I can know which officers gets fired for this. To take me to jail. You think there are bugs in my pants? There's not. You think I'm gonna be irritated? I'm not. There's nothing here. Take me to jail. Let's go. Trespassing at an international airport with a boarding pass when I've been only here for a week. Going to the Avis preferred counter to get them to give me my points so I can get a car rental, and you're telling me rubbish. No worries. Y'all better charge me, and that report better be. Why are you walking away? You better come charge me. No, he doesn't get to walk away from this. What is his name?
Officer Griffith.
No, what is her name? Hill and Griffith. Okay, good. I know. No, do not ask me questions, you liar. Hill and Griffith, you don't walk away. We're going to jail. Let's go to jail. Off. Let's go to jail. Let's go to jail. Come on. I want to go and get charged. Where are you going? Where is he going?
Because I'm gonna have to take you.
He's the arresting officer. F that. Griffith, get back here. Griffith! Where are you going?
Yoma, have you been arrested in the past 6 months?
Never been arrested in my life.
What is it?
I have never been arrested in my life. Pull up my record, you won't see a single arrest record with my name on it.
And where are you from? Nigeria or?
No, I'm American.
What is it?
I'm a United States citizen.
No, I know, but
I'm from Florida. I lived here for 15 years. I went to the University of South Florida. I graduated from...
Oh, I thought that you had, because of the passport, I thought that you were born and then you came to the US.
I'm a United States citizen. I lived in Florida for 15 years. I lived in Tampa for 6 years. I went to the University of South Florida. I graduated with my bachelor's degree. I have never been arrested in my life. Pull up my records. I've never been arrested in my life, let alone for walking in an international airport.
And as long as there's no issue between here and once you go inside.
Officers Hill and Griffith grade B+. They maintained composure through 12 minutes of sustained verbal aggression and communicated the charge clearly at every opportunity. Under Graham versus Connor, officers are judged on the objective reasonableness of their decisions in the moment, not in hindsight. Every decision here holds. The subject grade D. She had the boarding pass. She said so on camera. She chose not to produce it, the one document that could have resolved everything. Florida's trespass statute has no passenger exemption. She had 2 days to challenge the January 17th warning in court. She returned instead. The right to remain silent is a constitutional protection. She declined to use it on a recording that went directly into the incident report. The less in a trespass warning is a legal instrument, not a suggestion. If you believe an order is unlawful, the correct venue is a courtroom, not the scene of the arrest. Compliance at the scene preserves your legal options. Resistance at the scene creates new charges. Final outcome: 1 count trespass after warning, 1 count resisting without violence. Both on record. What do you think? Should the trespass order have applied with a boarding pass present? Drop it in the comments. Subscribe for weekly body cam analysis.
So she was charged with 1 count of